Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the summer Fabfitfun box. It's a really pretty box. I'm liking it. It really reminds me of summer, so they did a good job on that. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and start doing an unboxing of this. I feel like everyone knows what Fabfitfun is now, so I'm not really going to explain what it is, although it is a subscription box, but I'm not going to tell you prices on what it costs or anything. You can just Google it if you don't know. But I feel like everyone knows about it now, so I don't really feel the need to explain it. But anyways, I don't know what's in here. I haven't opened it yet. I did customize it. I have the limited customization thing. I don't get to customize the whole box, but I think I got to pick like 3 items or something. But I don't remember what I picked because it was a while back. So yeah, I'm really excited to get right into this. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and open up this box and see what's in here. All right, so I got my box cutter, of course. My box kind of looks, it didn't get beat up, but it looks kind of dirty. And that's probably just from traveling. It did come a little ways to me. Oops, totally failed that. Cut the box. Yeah, I'm really excited to see what's in here. Because the last box I got was the spring one, and I was pretty happy with everything. Ooh, it's really pretty, like, green. You guys see that? It's really pretty green in here. This box is so huge. It takes up, like, my whole table. Alright, so, of course, always on top is our magazine, I guess. It's not a card, it's a magazine. They send you a magazine, and it just kind of tells you, like, I don't know. I know it has the list of what's in here. But I think it also tells, like, about the brands and stuff. Yeah, so, alright. Of course, I've got a list. They did change it, which I don't really like. They changed the layout of, like, the actual products. Like, before, they used to have, like, certain sections, and then they would show you, like, what the options were for each section. But this one looks like it's just all together, which I kind of like the old way better, but that's just me personally. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and tear the sticker off. Alright, what do I want to start with? I really want to start with this. And I believe this was, now that I'm actually seeing the stuff, I'm remembering what I picked. So I'm just going to do that first. Alright, so the first thing that's in here is the Brazilian Play Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. And then also it has the, I think it's the Bum Bum Cream. Yeah, the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So I believe these two are one thing. Okay, so I got the Bum Bum Cream and the Moisturizing Shower Gel. And this, both, I guess these together retail for $45. That was one option. The other options I could have gotten was, I believe, a blow dryer right here. I think I could have gotten the towel, the Lotus towel, which I was tempted to grab that, but I've gotten a sample, I think I got like a travel size one of these before in my BoxyCharm, and I really liked it. And I really wanted to try out the shower gel because, speaking of which, I want to take a sniff. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm glad I grabbed that. Anyways, so I could have gotten the towel, and I think I could have gotten that robe there, which it looks super pretty, and I was tempted to get it, but in my spring box, I got the white robe from that one, and so I really didn't feel the need to get another kind of, I guess this one's a kimono kind of thing, but I just didn't feel the need to get that one. Anyways, moving on. Next in here is what I see is a mystery choice item. So I don't think I picked this, and it is the Pore Purifying Cleanser by Dr. Brandt. If you've watched any of my videos, you know I love getting skincare in boxes. Alright, and let me see, I don't know what this Alright, so this was in the items that only select members get. The other one was all members get to choose between that, but this one is select members only. And it looks like I could have either gotten this Eco eyeliner pen, or I could have gotten the Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream, which is this one over here. Or I could have gotten the Dr. Rogers Restoring Healing Balm right there, which out of all of them, I'm pretty happy I got the one that I did. And the mystery item retails from like $24 up, so it didn't say how much this is actually, but I would have guessed at least $40 because it seems like the last couple things I've gotten from Dr. Brandt, they were like $40 or maybe even higher, so that's what I'm thinking there. Alright, so this is already off to a really good start. Ooh, this box is already open, which not a biggie, but kind of whatever. Anyways, next thing is a refining micro polish. Is this another skincare item? I think so. Here's this. It's by Intelligent Nutritions. Let's see if I can find it on the list. Okay, so I'm kind of confused. I don't know. Okay, the retail price for this is $57, but it's in the section where... Oh, okay, so I see where I made a mistake. Okay, the previous one, when I said the Dr. Brandt thing, my choices were either... For that, I could have gotten the eyeliner or the Living Proof styling cream or the mystery item. Those were like 3 options. This one, the micro polish skincare, my options could be either between the healing balm, or I could have gotten this, I think it's a sunscreen of some sort, something, let me read about it. Or I could have gotten a makeup, Colo Organic SPF 30 makeup settings sunscreen spray, which that kind of sounds interesting, but I'm fine with this. So this retails for $57. I'm sorry, I'm kind of like all over the place. I kind of feel out of it today. I've been sick and I'm still kind of getting over it, but sorry. All right, back on track. Next thing in here is an exfoliating foot mask. My camera's really not focusing on the box because it's so shiny. But I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it out of the box itself. Here is what it looks like. This is an item that everyone gets in their box, so there's no selection. If that's what I'm smelling, it smells actually really good. I keep catching a whiff of something and I don't know what it is. All right, next thing in here is by Grace and Stella, and I believe this is another item that everyone gets in their box, and this is the spray all day. Oh, I forgot to tell you how much that foot cream was. The foot mask is $32. It retails for $32. I'm just trying to peel this off because I want to actually get it out of the box, but it's got a plastic wrapping over the box. Oh, it's one of those wrappers that always sticks to you from like the static. All right, so it's a spray all day rose water. It's actually a really nice sized bottle. I actually really like I don't know, it's just very simple, but the color of the actual spray is really pretty. All right, and that one retails for $25.95, and that, I think I already said it, but that is an item that everyone receives. Another item that everyone will receive in their box is this Generation Clay Ultraviolet clay mask. Yeah, and this retails for $39. It's kind of a really pretty purple. And the last thing that everyone will receive in their box are these Invisibobs. I'm probably saying that wrong. Original Duo Pack. They're like the hair ties, and these retail for $16. I feel like I've seen these everywhere because, I don't know, they just got really popular and I've been seeing them everywhere. So I'm kind of interested to try these out because they look pretty nice, and I'm always looking for better hair ties. Alright, the next two, I have 2 more items in here, I believe, and these are the ones that I customized myself. Alright, so first thing in here is a necklace by Jennifer Zinner. if I'm saying that right. And this retails for $50. Oh my gosh. I mean, I haven't even looked at it, but dang. Here's the necklace, and honestly, I don't know why this costs $50 because it's a very simple necklace. I'm not saying it's not pretty or anything, but it's just got the 2 stars on it. Unless this is made out of real gold, I don't know why this is so much. But instead of the necklace, I could have gotten these resistant bands here, or I could have gotten these silicone cups here, which honestly, between the 3 of them, I'm glad I got the necklace because I wasn't interested in the workout bands or the cups. From what I've seen from other videos, the cups don't really look that great. I don't know. I didn't get them, so I don't know for sure. Alright, and last thing in my box is this by EXO Sienna, and it is a felt message board. This retails for $35. I'm gonna go ahead and just try to kind of pull out the board itself so that take a look at it. Alright, so it comes with a little pouch to keep all your letters. Here, of course, are your letters. And then here is the actual board. It actually looks really nice. It's really cute. I might hang that up like somewhere in my background maybe and put a little message on it. I mean, I know I have that one right there, but that one's different. And like I said, that retails for $35, and I could have either, the other options for that would have been, the other things I could have picked out were these tie-dye bowls or this bag here. Alrighty guys, that is everything that I got in my summer FabFit box. I'm actually, you know, I've got some good items here. I really like the board. I'm excited about that. And I got 2 skincare items. I believe that one is a skincare. Yeah, the polish, the micro polish is a skincare item. And then I got a purifying cleanser, which is nice. Oh, actually I got 3 skincare because I got that clay mask too, which is always nice because I feel like a broken record. I say this all the time. It's always nice to get skincare products and subscription boxes because they are so expensive. And yeah, I'm gonna have to really try it. I'm gonna have to take a shower now and use this. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, that's gonna be nice. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with everything that I received in my box for the summer box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry if I seem kind of out of it today. I've been sick and I'm still getting over it. My cold, I don't know what it was. I got a head cold or something with my sinuses. It's been pretty miserable. But I just wanted to go ahead and get on here and go ahead and film this because I know I wasn't going to be able to film it for a little while. Next week is going to be really busy for me and I just knew I wouldn't have time for it. But I wanted to go ahead and get this out for you guys so that, because I've been trying to stay more consistent with uploading videos. So yeah, that's why I went ahead and did it even though I'm still kind of sick. But yeah, make sure to like this video if this is something that you like seeing. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. I do appreciate it. But other than that guys, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!